In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in a WhatsApp channel. Whether you're looking to gather opinions, make group decisions, or just have a bit of fun with your community. Creating a poll is a simple and effective way to engage with your channel members. So, let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to WhatsApp. Once you're there, locate the Channels tab. This section is dedicated to the channels you're a part of, and it's where our journey begins. After clicking on the Channels tab, you'll see a list of all the channels you manage or are part of. Go ahead and open the channel where you'd like to create your poll. Now that you're inside your chosen channel, your next step is to find the plus icon. You'll typically find this button either at the bottom or the top of your screen, depending on your device. Clicking this icon will give you access to several options for adding content to your channel. Among the options that appear, look for and select the poll option. This is the feature that allows us to create the interactive poll for our audience. With this selected, the poll creation interface will open up. And here's where the creativity and fun begins. Begin by typing your poll question into the question field. This is the central query you want responses on, so make it clear and concise to ensure your channel members understand exactly what you're asking. It could be anything from, "What's your favorite type of cuisine?" to, "Which day should we schedule our next meeting?" Once your question is sorted, it's time to fill in the options field with possible answers. You can have fun with these options, or keep them straightforward. It's up to you and the nature of the poll. Aim for at least 2 options to provide a choice, but feel free to include more if needed. Now, here's a handy tip. WhatsApp allows you to decide whether you want your poll to allow multiple selections. By default, the Allow Multiple Answers toggle will be on, meaning your audience can choose more than one option. If you prefer to limit participants to a single choice, simply toggle this option off. It's a feature that can help tailor your poll to your specific needs. After setting everything up to your liking, it's time for the final step. Tap the Send button to share your poll with your channel followers. With this, your poll is live, and your channel members can start participating right away. Creating a poll in a WhatsApp channel is that straightforward. It's a great way to enhance interaction and engage your audience meaningfully. Thanks for watching, and happy polling!